To get started, I added a video clip to the V2 track on my timeline. We're going to add something below it, so it's important that you have an empty track below the video clip. You want to border around. Okay, let's begin by heading over to the project panel. Right, click inside and go to New Item Color Matte. Select the color you want for your border and click OK. Drag the color matte clip below your video clip on the timeline. Then select your video clip and go up to Effect Controls. In here, we're going to decrease the scale of our videos so that we can see the color matte underneath, making it look like the video has a border. Now this looks okay, but as you can see, the top inside border's width don't match. To fix this, uncheck Uniform Scale, then I'm going to drag the sides just a tad to match the top and bottom borders. We are stretching the video here, but it's just a tiny bit, so it shouldn't be noticeable. Okay, and now when I play this back, we have a nice looking border around our video. Keep in mind that you don't need to use a color map for this effect. You can import any image for your border, and this method will work. Alright, and that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.